Ahead of the State of the Nation address, President Yoweri Museveni made his way to Kololo ceremonial ground at 1:50 p.m. He was welcomed by the Speaker of Parliament Anita Among, her Deputy Thomas Tayebwa, and representatives of other arms of government. Immediately, Among proclaimed Kololo grounds as parliamentary precincts.
Now, therefore, in accordance to Rule 17.1 of the Rules of Procedure of Parliament, I hereby proclaim that the Parliament sits at Kololo grounds on Thursday.
During the State of the Nation address, Museveni was supposed to account to the nation the performance of government in 2023-2024 financial year and what should be expected in the next financial year. During Museveni's speech, he had no kind words for moneylenders, who he described as extortionists.
I directed the Minister of Finance to cap the interest rates chargeable by moneylenders. The inflation rate in Uganda is 3%. Why should the commercial banks charge 20% interest? How about the moneylenders charging 36% or more? This is pure extortion.
He has since directed the Attorney General to deal with them.
I have already directed the Attorney General to guide the Minister of Finance as to how he can criminalize this extortion by the moneylenders.
Museveni says the parish development model and the Myoga programs should be able to help borrowers to access affordable loans.
The PDM and the Myoga funds are going to become the poor people's banks, able to lend at 12% or less after 24 months. We are going, this PDM money, people are trying to sabotage it, but I can hear it is beginning to penetrate. People are beginning to understand it now.
The president is against giving soft loans to traders who import second-hand items.
I cannot give a loan to somebody, soft money, for somebody to import dead people's clothes and import perfumes and whiskey and so on. No. The Uganda Development Bank money is for manufacturing, for agriculture, and for some of the services.
Meanwhile, the Speaker of Parliament says sanctions issued against her by the US and United Kingdom will not divert her from doing what is right.
Past 42 resolutions, 62 reports were adopted. And as I said, out of the 47 bills passed in this third session, 23 bills were in furtherance of the government policy on rationalization of government agencies and public expenditure.
Earlier this week, the leader of opposition, Joel Senyonyi, and his shadow cabinet objected to having Parliament move to regional areas in a bid to take the Parliament closer to the people. He said that this would lead to more expenses by the Parliament. However, the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Among, has said that the President approved this move, and so the first sitting will happen in Gulu on the 29th and 30th of this month. Juma Kiria, NTV.